Let's look at basic ITIL V3 concepts, starting with the first services and service management and the 4 Ps of service management. So what's the ITIL version 3 conception of services and of service management? Here we see that services are how you present yourself and deliver value to your customer, the person or group who pays the bills for your services, and your users, those who use your services. Service management is the discipline of doing that well, presenting yourself as a set of services to your customers and managing and organizing around services. By using service management processes and knowledge and having people with the right experience, skills and relationships delivering the value customers and users need through your services. The first ITIL V3 basic concept is the 4 Ps of implementing IT service management as a practice: people, process, products or technology, and partners or suppliers. You can think of the 4 Ps as the proper scope of consideration for anything in it. A project, a change, or a risk, for example. Armed with the 4 Ps, I'll boldly claim you can add more value to every interaction. Try it in your next meeting. For example, your meeting might be discussing readiness in a move to production of a service, and perhaps most of the discussion is around technical readiness. Tick around the 4 Ps and you can think through in surface risks in the area of people. For example, do we make sure that we have training for the new service for users? The service desk? How about troubleshooting guides and lists of known bugs? What about the third-party partner service desk for mobile professionals? Have they been included? This is where the 4 Ps can help you understand the proper scope of consideration. The second ITIL version 3 basic concept is a service lifecycle. ITIL V3 arranges service management processes and functions into a life cycle from strategy to design to transition to operation and continual improvement, while all value is seen and realized by the customer and users and operations. The quality of that value is a function of having the right strategy in the first place and therefore the right services and service management capabilities, and then how well services are designed and moved to production, and whether you've got a virtuous cycle of continuous improvement for services and for service management.